In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record impact of business expense paid by director in Xero. When a director pays a genuine business expense out of their own pocket, the company effectively owes that amount back to them. In Xero, the clean way to show this is to recognize the expense and record a matching amount owed to the director through a director loan account. I'll walk you through setting up that account if you don't already have it, and then show you how to post the manual journal so your reports stay accurate. First, open Xero and head to the accounting menu. From there, go to Chart of Accounts. This is where all your ledger accounts live, and where we'll add the one that tracks what the company owes to the director. If you don't already have a loan account for directors, click Add Account. Give it a clear name like Director Loan Account so everyone knows exactly what it's for. Choose an account code that fits your numbering system, add a description if helpful, and set the account type appropriately. If the company owes the director money, this is typically set up as a current liability so it appears among amounts due within the year. Make sure the account is active, then save. Once saved, this account will be available throughout Xero, including in journals. Now that the account exists, you can use it in a manual journal to reflect the expense the director paid. Click the plus or new icon at the top and select Manual Journal. Enter the journal date to match when the expense was incurred and add a concise narration, for example, Director Paid Business Expense. On the first line, choose the correct expense account that best categorizes what was purchased and enter the amount as a debit. This ensures your profit and loss shows the cost in the right place. On the second line, select the Director Loan Account and enter the same amount as a credit. This records that the company owes that amount to the director. Double-check that your debits and credits match, confirm the date and description, and then save or approve the journal according to your normal controls. That's it. The expense now appears in your profit and loss, and the balance owed to the director shows under the loan account. Going forward, whenever a director pays a business cost, repeat this process using the same loan account, so your records remain consistent and easy to reconcile later.